In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a deposit in QuickBooks Online. Maybe you recorded a bank deposit twice or sent it to the wrong account. Deleting the deposit is straightforward, but it can change account balances and reconciliations, so follow along carefully. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and signing into the company where the deposit lives. From the left menu, open Accounting, then Chart of Accounts. This is where all your bank and credit card accounts live. Find the specific account that holds the deposit, often your checking account. If you're unsure, think about where the funds actually landed at the bank. Once you see the account, move to the far right and choose View Register. That opens the account's register so you can see every transaction impacting that balance. At the top of the register, you can adjust the date range or use the search field to narrow results, which is handy if you're working with a long history. Scroll through the register to locate the deposit you want to remove. You can sort or filter the register to narrow the list, and the type column will help you spot deposits quickly. Double-check the date, amount, and payee details so you know you're deleting the correct one. When you've confirmed it, click the transaction to expand it. With the deposit expanded, look for the option to delete. Select Delete, and when QuickBooks asks you to confirm, approve the deletion. The deposit will be removed from the register. If the deposit was created from multiple customer payments using undeposited funds, those payments will return to undeposited funds so you can redeposit them correctly. If you only needed to fix a typo or change the account, you could choose Edit instead of Delete. But if the transaction truly doesn't belong, deletion is the cleanest fix. If your bank is connected, the downloaded transaction in your banking tab will remain, ready to match once the correct deposit exists. After deleting, review the register balance and, if you reconcile monthly, check your reconciliation for that period. Removing a reconciled deposit will mark it as unreconciled and can create a discrepancy, so you might need to address that separately or consult your accountant. A quick tip before you delete: jot down the deposit's date and amount, or take a screenshot. It makes it easier to recreate or redeposit the item accurately if needed. That's it. You went to your chart of accounts, opened the correct accounts register, selected the deposit, and deleted it. Pause the video if you want to try this alongside me, and remember to proceed carefully whenever you're changing posted transactions in QuickBooks Online.